Hi guys, today I want to show you how easy it is to use and apply Estate's new lashes. They are cruelty-free and vegan. They come in 5 styles and they're easy on the wallet. So you go ahead and take them out of the box, and I have pre-cut them to fit my eye. And what you do is you just turn them around like this so that you know which eye goes on which. Put them on so that you can tell how far to cut them. I like to trim them so that they are going to be right where the white part of my eye sort of ends. And so that's what I have done. And then I take a lash glue, and the lash glue that I like to use is the Duo Lash Glue, and I have 2 types. I have this type here, and then I have the Duo that has the actual brush tip applicator, and I like that one the best. So with the brush tip, you can just easily apply that. Right onto the band of the lash. And the shorter piece of the hairs go towards the inner corner. And there you go. There's one side. And there you go. And that's how you put on the lash. It looks really good, not too long. Just a little bit of extra oomph to your eye look. And then all you need is just to finish off the bottoms. I don't really have on any extra eyeliner, but that's what they look like. Just regular eyeliner right there. And I don't even have on any liquid liner. It's just a regular kohl eyeliner. You just need to finish off the bottom lashes with some eyeliner. Okay, and there's the look with the lashes. Easy. So thank you so much, Estate Cosmetics, for sending me over some lashes. They've got plenty of styles. They have long and fluttery ones. They've got some with some colors. plenty of styles to choose from. And you can use my link if you want a discount. I do have an affiliate code with Estate Cosmetics if you want to try some for yourself. But I definitely like these lashes. They were easy to put on. And also, if you want the easiest type of glue to use, it is the Duo glue with the brush. I really, really like that one. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this edition of Try It Tuesday and the new drop from Estate Cosmetics. They are definitely... I am definitely liking these new lashes from them. So yeah, hop on over and try some of their new lashes. They are very affordable, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. So bye till next time.